Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft Nintendo Switch Online. First, make sure you have an active Nintendo Switch Online membership, which is essential for online play. Next, connect your Nintendo Switch console to a stable internet connection. Once connected, simply launch the Minecraft game application from your home screen and select the Play option from the main menu to get started. Now, let's explore your options for playing with others. You can choose Friends to easily join a friend's active game world, or select Servers to explore a variety of official or featured online servers. If you prefer, create a brand new world and invite up to 7 friends to join you. Just remember to verify your game version matches other players for a smooth experience. To customize your online experience, head into the Game Options menu to adjust your multiplayer settings. Here, you can enable or disable player versus player combat, depending on your preferred gameplay style. You can also manage permissions for other players in your hosted world, giving you full control. For seamless communication, remember you can use the Nintendo Switch Online app for voice chat with your friends. To ensure the best online experience, always maintain a strong, stable internet connection. Clear and respectful communication with other players is key to a fun environment. If you encounter any inappropriate behavior, please report it to help keep the gaming community safe for everyone. Finally, regularly update your Minecraft game to the latest available version to enjoy all new features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.